Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp ED YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see about the application procedure for UGC net. So here comes the NTA conducting UGC net is having 4-step application where you have to be ready with all the documents. So let us see that the first step is to register yourself. So here the registration is needed your identity card which you are having with photo, which has been given by the central government of India. So it can be license, Aadhaar card, and then passport, like that similar documents. And then there is a option that you need not to mention some of the names also. So any other option also there. So you can give that also. And mandatorily you have to keep your working mobile number and as well as working email ID, because all the communication will be given through that only. So once you have done with the registration by entering these all the details, like for example name, date of birth, mother name, father name, and these all stuffs, once you have done with it means then the next round is you have to go with the personal details. So here comes the personal detail is like about you and the address where you are staying, address for communication as it is. Then the third is like you have to fill all the details about the education, like what you have done so far, whether you have completed MPhil or PhD or else masters. If you have any experience also you can share in that. Then the next step is you have to update a scanned photocopy, as well as you have to update the signature of the candidate. So the signature should not be in caps letter, it should be in mixed, and then it should not be in a typed format. So it's a original signature, you have to take a photography and you have to update it. So after completing the photograph updation, then you can see that payment gateway will be open. So here comes, you have to make the payment through online, or else by using the debit card also you can pay. And one more option, net banking also there. So you have to submit and then you have to confirm everywhere. So there will be multiple checkbox. So that is what. So if you would like to get more videos from Revamp ED YouTube channel, please do subscribe to Revamp ED YouTube channel and then get notified about all the admission internship notifications. Thank you.